Hello, my name is Asosa Olmorti, and this is my patient, David Olmorti. Today I'll be recording musculoskeletal assessment for NU 650. Do you give me consent to record this video?
Yes.
Thank you so much. And before I started this assessment, I performed hand hygiene. So I'm just going to start off by inspecting the temporal mandibular joint and just assessing for swelling, tenderness, deformity, atrophy, and range of motion. Are you feeling any pain?
No.
Could you please open up your jaw as wide as you can and close it? One more time. Thank you so much. Close it. Perfect. Then I'm going to go and assess the flexion of your head. If you can please put your chin to your chest and raise it up. Then if you can look up to the ceiling and look straight again, and if you can turn your head as far to the right over your shoulder as you can, and as far to your left shoulder as much as you can. Thank you so much. You can just relax, and now I'm just going to go ahead and inspect your shoulders. Just the front side, and assess the scalpel. Inspect and palpate. You're feeling any pain? Deformities or swelling? Perfect. Thank you so much. And now we're going to assess the flexion of your arms. If you could please have your arms straight out in front of you and raise it up above your head. Thank you so much. If you can put your arms straight again, and if you can try and put it behind your back as such. Perfect. Thank you so much. And next, if you can have your arms out to the side. Thank you. And up. Perfect. Yes. Perfect. And down back to your sides. Thank you so much. And can you try with your right hand to touch your shoulder blade behind your back? Perfect. And if you could do the same with your left arm. Perfect. Are you experiencing any pain while you're doing that? Perfect. And now, if you could please try and bend your ear to your neck on your left side and your right side. Did you experience any pain doing that? Any pain?
It's a little straight.
A little strain on your right side? Okay. Is that normal, or is that... So let's just turn to your right side. A little strain there. Okay. As far. Okay. And now we're going to assess the flexion. If you can bend your elbows, if you can have your hands straight with your palms out and bend towards you. Perfect. And if you can straighten your elbows now and turn your palms facing downwards. Thank you. And if you can turn your palms and try and touch your elbows. Perfect. And out. Thank you. And if you can put your hands down. And now up. Straight again and inward. If you can turn just your wrist inward. This way, like this. See how my hands are, and we turn it inward like this. And outward like this. Perfect. Thank you so much. And now, if you can stick your hands out again, and put your fingers, just your fingers up, not the whole hands, just the fingers, and then your fingers down. Perfect. Thank you so much. Now I will test my special techniques for the Tinel sign. You can just relax your hands and let me know if you feel any pain. Thank you. Now, next one for the special, technique. If you can, for the Fallon sign, if you can put your hands in this motion, press them up against each other, the backs of your hands. Correct, all the way up to your wrist. And do you experience any pain? Are you experiencing any pain? Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. And that is a test for any carpal tunnel syndrome, the two techniques that I just did. And now, in inspecting your spine, I would ask if you could please stand for me as I will be assessing your spine. And just turn around. Thank you so much. I'll start off by assessing the patient's spine, inspecting and palpating the spinous process, and noting any posture or curvature or deformities. I do not see any. Are you feeling any pain as I'm pressing? Okay. Thank you. And now if you could face forward towards the camera, we're just going to test flexion. Now if you can bend towards your toes as much as you can. Thank you. That's the furthest you can go. Are you experiencing any pain? Okay, thank you so much. Now if you can bend backwards as much as you can. For example, like this. Just bend as far back as you can. And are you experiencing any pain doing that? Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. You can stand straight now. And now, this is the part where I had mentioned to you earlier, I'll just be inspecting your gait. So if you could start from the end of that couch and just walk towards me so I can see how you walk. Thank you so much. And that is all. Thank you. It was smooth and rhythmic, and there was no contour because these are atrophy of the quadriceps. Noted. Thank you so much. And so now for this portion, if you could please lie down on the couch, I'll provide this pillow for you. Now I'm going to assess your knees on your back, please. Thank you so much. And now, if you could please try and flex your right knee and put it straight. Let's see if you can. Okay. Perfect. And same with your left knee. If you can flex your left knee and put it straight. Perfect. Thank you so much. And now, are you able, if you could try and bring your knees to your chest, both of your knees, and you can use your hands to assist you. Perfect. You can put them regular, or are you experiencing any pain right now? Okay, thank you so much. And now, if you are please able to move your right leg, or start with your right leg, and as much as you can, try and bend it outwards and inwards towards your body. So you would bend it out and then inwards towards your body, bring it up and out. And if you do the same with your, perfect, do the same with your left leg, outward and inward towards your body. Perfect. Do you experience any pain as you're doing that?
No.
Okay, thank you. And now for your feet, if you can, both of your feet, flex it forward. Flex your feet right here forward on both. Okay, thank you. And as far back as you can. Perfect. And did you experience any pain doing that?
No.
Okay, thank you. And now I'll move on to these special techniques. First, assessing for and doing the McMurray test, seeing if there's any meniscus injury. So you could just relax. I'm going to assist you on this one. Flexing your knee while holding the heel and feeling for these areas. Do you have any pain? Are you experiencing any pain here? And I press. Thank you. And let's see for this leg. Thank you so much. And then the next special technique I will conduct is assessing for any ligamentous injury. in both of the lower extremities, testing for valgus and varus stress. So by this one, I will push this part out while bringing the ankle in. You feel any pain? Push this to the ankle, bringing it out. Any pain? Okay. And the last one, if you could please sit up for me, sir. Oops, sorry. That's okay. Thank you so much. For this one, I will now test for any rotator cuff injury, and I'm just going to assist you in this one.
Okay.
And lifting your arm up. Are you experiencing any pain?
Yeah.
Out. I'll do the same with the other arm. Out. Any pain?
No.
Perfect. Thank you so much. So no pain or deformity noted in that area. And the next one I will test for is the Hawkin impingement sign. And if you could please face your palms down and rotate your elbows inwardly and outward externally. Perfect. Thank you so much. And now if you can elevate your arm, take your arms out and put your thumbs up. And now I'm going to try, and just against my resistance, try and keep your thumbs up against my resistance. Perfect. And now if you can put your thumbs inside and close your fist and start with it downwards. And then try and raise your fist up against. Perfect. Thank you so much. My resistance. Did you experience any pain while I did that? Okay, thank you so much. And now for the drop arm sign, if you can put your hands out to the side and then just lower them slowly. Perfect. Thank you so much. And that will conclude the assessment, the musculoskeletal system assessment. Thank you so much for watching the video.